Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Merry Xmas in advance to you all. Join me today as I make quick breakfast, and please watch this video till the end. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna be using 4 raw eggs. I'll go ahead to crack the eggs, then pour the egg white and the yolk in my plate. And after that, I'll go ahead to add in some salt to it to taste. Then I'll go ahead to add my chopped red bell pepper and also hot chili. After that, I will add my chopped cabbage and also my chopped green bell pepper. After adding them, I'll go ahead to use my fork to beat the egg. So I'm going to continue mixing until everything is properly mixed. So next I'm going to heat up my pan with some oil on a medium flame, and when the pan turns hot, I'll go ahead to pour in my beaten eggs. When the mixture begins to firm up, I'll go ahead to form a square shape with my egg. And after forming a square shape with my egg, I'm going to go ahead to flip it and fry on a medium heat until I make sure my egg cook completely. And after that, I'll take it off the heat. Then I'm going to go ahead to repeat this same process with my remaining egg mixture. Please, my amazing viewers, don't forget to support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker, and also join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family. With this YouTube membership, you get many benefits like seeing all my exclusive video and also acquiring a membership badge. Next, I'm going to add some butter on my frying pan, then I'll allow it to melt down. After that, I'll place one slice of bread on my frying pan. Then I'm going to go ahead to place my fried egg on top of my sliced bread. Next, I will place one sliced cheese on it. Then I'll start adding my fresh sliced tomatoes. Next, I will sprinkle some powdered black pepper on it. This is optional. And after that, I'll place another slice of bread on top of it. Next, I'll go ahead to flip my sandwich bread, then allow the other side to brown. And after that, I'll repeat the same process with the remaining fried egg and my sliced bread. So guys, after the both sides turn brown and become crunchy, I'm going to go ahead to take them off the heat. So guys, as you can see now on the screen that my cheese bread omelette sandwich is ready now. I'm going to go ahead to enjoy this delicious breakfast with some fresh orange juice that I just made this morning. And please don't forget to try this recipe at home and tell me what you think about it on the comment section. Please, my amazing viewers, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon so you'll be the first to receive a notification whenever I upload new video. And please don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video.